Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious tuna sandwich. First, ensure your canned tuna is well drained to avoid a watery filling. Next, gather your essential ingredients: good quality mayonnaise, finely diced celery for crunch, and a bit of red onion for flavor. Don't forget to select your preferred bread, whether it's classic white, hearty whole wheat, or a tangy sourdough. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the tuna salad. Empty your well-drained tuna into a medium bowl and use a fork to flake it apart. Then, add your mayonnaise. Start with about 1/4 cup and add more if you prefer a creamier texture. Stir in your finely diced celery and red onion. These additions provide a wonderful crunch and a burst of fresh flavor, making your tuna salad truly stand out. Mix everything until it's well combined. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's a fantastic way to enjoy music, get answers, and control your smart home. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. With your tuna salad ready, it's time to assemble your perfect sandwich. Take one slice of your chosen bread and spread a generous amount of the tuna salad evenly across it. This is where you can customize. Feel free to add fresh lettuce, a slice of ripe tomato, or even some dill pickles for extra tang. Finally, gently place the second slice of bread on top, completing your homemade tuna sandwich. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.